Guys, forget that one, check out this one. This is just $2,000. That's it. I think this is a quite innovative product of 2026.
Your videos helped us a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Someone is giving me the real massage. This is my follower and he came from Canada. Hello, welcome to Canton Fair 2026. Guys, yesterday we have explored the electronic segment, but today's video is going to be different. I'm not going to show you the typical traditional products today. I'm going to show you the technology, innovation that can help you automate your business, improve your lifestyle as well. Today's video is going to be quite interesting. China is a hub of innovation, so that's why I come here every single day to show you the new innovation that can help your business, your lifestyle and everything. A lot of people, they're heading to the Canton Fair right now, and right now I'm heading to one of the best zone of the Canton Fair 2026. It's the new zone, so stay with me. You'll see a lot of innovations. Right. Good.
Your videos helped us a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
We just arrived in the morning today
From where?
from Canada.
From Canada.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to China, bro.
This is your WhatsApp or?
WhatsApp, this is WhatsApp. Same WeChat.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, check out the crowd. Too many people from different countries, they're here to explore the innovation of China. Check it out. This factory is quite innovative. Check out this, the searching broadcasting system. There is a loudspeaker, there is a light, and it can connect with any kind of drones. But they have partnered with DJI, so you can also use the DJI drone as well. So they have different models here as well, and quite big SKU, and they are doing quite innovative products like this. You can see this one also can connect with your drone, and it can carry around 2.38 kg weight as well. And yeah, and there is one interesting thing that I really like it. Check out this one. This is something like the camping light with drone. It can fly, like you can see. This one and that one, you can also connect the camera as well. They have a lot of other things. Check out this one. This is the DJI drone, but the system, this works as like the firefighter, and their factory, they have the cooperation with DJI. The system is from this factory and the drone is from DJI. So this product is also good. So if you need more detail, because they have a lot of things in technology, so their factory is also in Guangzhou. If you need more detail, you can contact with me. This factory is quite innovative as well. You can see this is the save one, and the best part of this factory is this product is it can save from the fire as well. For example, if there is a fire for 1 hour, it won't harm this product. And this is also the bulletproof as well, and quite luxury, you can see. And let me show you another great part of this one. You can see you can use the fingerprint as well. You can use the password as well. So they also have some other products for the save your money, save your assets, save your jewelry and everything. If you need the details of this one, so you can contact with me.
1, 2, 3。那我们这个是我们 boss， 让 boss 帮我们拍一张，好吧？
This is also the innovative product. Just now I show you in last group. So there's a demo as well, and it can fly like 10 meters, and they have different sizes. So in the big size one, you can also attach the camera as well. So this is the innovation. Guys, let me show you a great business model. If you want to grow your business, if you want to start your business, this is the best video. You have to watch this video till end, okay? So this is a great factory. They have solved all the problems, and all the products, they have connected each other. They have so many products, and best quality, best price. Let me show you one by one. Right now, a lot of people, they don't have time to jogging. So right now, most of the people, they're doing jogging during the night time. So they have solved the problem. There's a light on this, and the quality, the battery time is like 8 hours to 20 hours. They have different models. You also can swim. They also have different colors, different models, and best price. And And next one is the walkie-talkie. This walkie-talkie, for example, you are going for hiking and you don't need to carry your phone. This has the speaker as well. You can listen to music as well. The distance is like the 3 kilometers and it doesn't need the Wi-Fi, it doesn't need the Bluetooth. So this is also the best thing. And one of the great thing that this glasses, right now you don't need to carry the DJI or the GoPro or something like that. Just you need to wear this glasses. It has the camera, it has a Bluetooth, and it has the best quality. That's all in one in this thing. And the best price. This is the great business opportunity and they have many more things. Let me show you. There's a cap. Check out this cap. They have different models. This one, that one. And the premium quality speaker. So they have a lot of things here and if you need the detail, there is a form in the description. You can fill out the form, then I'm here to help you and we can grow the business together. Guys, forget that one, check out this one. I think this could be the best product as well and it can use like the 100 times in single charging. And let me show you. I think it's enough. And after the packing, it would be like this. You can also carry like a bottle, like the water bottle in your pocket. So I think this is, they also have some other variant as well. Check out. This is just $2,000. That's it. This is 4-wheel and in single charge, it can drive like 120 kilometers. I think that is amazing. And check out the size, like it's 4-wheel and it has the AC, it has the speakers and all of these things. And I think this quite reasonable and check out the quality. Only $2,000. And there's a screen as well. This is my follower and he came from Canada and his name is Khalid Gilani, right?
That's right.
And Khalid Gilani, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
So how's Canton Fair?
I mean, I love it, to be honest. This is my first time here and I'm loving it so far.
That's great. So you have been watching my videos. So do you think that is it helpful?
It is actually, yeah. We got a lot of information from your videos, to be honest. I learned a lot actually from downloading the apps and everything. They're very helpful.
Thank you so much for watching my
You're
videos.
welcome. Thank you so much once again. Nice meeting you.
I think this is the good product for e-commerce and this is 2-in-1. You can also charge the phone, also hold the phone and you can see like this. It won't move. And after that, you can also charge like this. Yeah. And the price is reasonable, quality is good, MOQ is reasonable. If you need a detail, there's a form in description. Fill out the form and contact me. This feels like it's quite comfy and I actually have the feeling that someone is giving me the real massage. Guys, check out this one. If you have a supermarket business, this is the best product for you. Check out, this is the apple and there is no barcode anything on this apple. You just put here and it will detect what is this. No matter any kind of product you can put on this. So this will automate your business and this machine, you can see, just put here and just, that's it. In few seconds, everything will be done. And they also have other products. So if you want the details of this product, contact me. Guys, a lot of products here and one day is not enough to cover all these products. So tomorrow I'll come again. I'll come here every single day because too many products, too many innovations, and tomorrow video is going to be more interesting. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, you should subscribe the channel right now and see you tomorrow. Stay premium.